I'm Danishka from grade 7.
I'm Dwarak from grade 8. We are here to interview the new nominee. Can you explain about yourself?
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Reena Gabriella Raja of grade 11 and I'm a nominee of SPL election.
What will you do if you become an SPL?
Actually, I have many bursting ideas, but the main idea which I have is to ban plastics. Actually, our school have started many plans, and one of my plan is that all of us use pens, right? And most of the pens are made up of plastic. So we can collect all those from all the students, like students using refill pen and gel pen. After using that, they'll throw it off, right? So we can collect all those, and with the help of our management, we can give it to a recycling club, like who recycle things, and it can be used for other things, right? This is one of my plan, and likewise I have many other plans, and I want to be someone who doesn't speak a lot. I want to listen a lot. That's
What quality should be you become a leader?
That's what I have mentioned earlier, that a leader is not a one who initiates everything and speaks a lot, right? The leader should be a person who speaks less and listens to his people a lot. So I want to be a leader who listens a lot to his people, and I want to solve all the queries which the people has.
How will you deal with disagreements when you are working with a team?
It arises, right? When it is a team, there will be people who agree with the decisions and people who disagree. So I'll just rethink on my decision, and if the disagreement is like agreeable by myself, and I will for sure change my decision.
This is your first SPL election?
No, this is my second SPL election. I've been a SPL in my previous school, and I know what are the workloads and responsibilities of a SPL.
Can you please share your experience?
I was a student who was known by every people, like every student in my previous school, and that election was very easy for me to win. That I went to classes, I told please vote for me, I am standing in election, like I am participating in election. That's what I told people, and people voted. It was like amazing, like amusing me, but it was good. But here it's really very hard for me. I am trying a lot. There I bought many new changes, and something which I told now, that plastic thing, and I have introduced it there. And also we have started planting trees. Even I was like I am a nature lover, and we started planting trees there, and even now I have planted a small sapling over there, which is a cactus kind, and every break I used to go there and water it. Even people are there to water it, but I'll personally go and water it because it's the first plant which I have planted there.
What will you do for the welfare of students?
Actually, here I've seen everyone behaving well, and as a leader, I want to listen to all the queries which the students have. Most of the students may have many queries and many changes which they have, like they want to share to others, but few will be very composed, that they won't come out of their shell and speak to their teachers or the management. So I have already campaigned to many classes, and I have told them that if you have any small issue, you can come to me and open up to me. So I'll be a person who you can believe, trust me, and speak. You can speak everything to me, and I'll help you to take it to the management if you are a composed person.
How will you solve the children's queries?
I'll first check whether the query is right or wrong. Like for example, students may ask something which is good, and something like we want a week full of holidays, right? All these kind of queries cannot be solved. So I'll check whether it's right or wrong, it can be done or not, and if it is like a right query, and if there is a need for it, I'll do it. But if the query itself is a desire, I will not.
Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all. I'm Reena Gabriella Raja of grade 11, and my symbol is idea bulb. I'm a new student to this school, so I cannot expect more offline votes, but I have done my best in all my campaigns. So I request you all to vote me, and thank you all again.